Okay, of course, we can't be in Los Angeles without talking about Hollywood, and one of the biggest news in Hollywood right now, and not just in Hollywood, it's gone beyond that, is the Murray case. And I'm so proud to introduce her to you because she has been seen on Fox TV, but guess what? Before Fox even got to her, we've been having her on the show. Good friend also, Attorney Carina Castaneda, our resident criminal defense lawyer here on Kababayan, LA. Carina, your thoughts on this case? It's just so big right now.
It is so big. It's, you know, I hate using this word, but it's gone viral. I mean, 24 hours internationally. The judge is doing a good job of containing all this, and everybody has their opinions. Every day there's a new bombshell.
Right, and it's surprising because a lot of people thought it was just going to be quick and easy and boring and done. What do you think is making this all so controversial and so interesting? Well,
we do have a pop icon dead, okay? That's his name alone carries so much love, mystery, you know, the whole bit. And then we have a doctor, and you know, usually in our community, doctors are respected. They heal people, they keep people alive, they save your life. Absolutely. And Michael Jackson had him on board for at least 2 months to keep him going, to save him, you know, and to make sure he's okay for his negligence and extreme deviation from medical standard of care, and which caused the death of Michael Jackson. So causation. Did Dr. Murray's administration of propofol kill Michael Jackson?
And your thoughts as a lawyer, as a criminal defense lawyer who was also once a prosecutor?
With the Los Angeles County District Attorney, and I've appeared in front of Judge Pastor. I knew he was going to be effective and he was going to be efficient. I predicted he was going to pick those jurors in one day, and he had the attorneys do it. This is going to be done in 5 to 6 weeks. This is very fast. Right now, it's the prosecution. You know, I think they keep bringing witnesses. Yes, the defense is doing a good job of creating loopholes and questions about and whether the LAPD conducted a sloppy job, whether these people are, you know, inexperienced, and they just aren't doing the right thing.
And that is why it's so interesting, because of all the drama. Unfortunately, this doesn't just happen to Dr. Murray. A lot of our Kababayans also, when they get into trouble, no matter how minor, there is something to be learned from the case that's ongoing right now. And what is that, Carina?
Okay, Dr. Murray basically didn't have a sit down with the police until 2 days, June 27th, after he hired an attorney. You should always go hire an attorney, okay? And when something like this, or when the police gets involved, it's critical that you know what you're getting into. And second, you have a right. This is a constitutional right. This is the Fifth Amendment. Right to remain silent and against self-incrimination. Now, I still will go out to bat, and I've been asked this, okay, as a legal analyst, would you have had Dr. Murray talk to the police, to the detective? And I said, first of all, it's 2 days after the trial. I have no police report. I'm going in there blind. The police has done some investigation, and you know what exactly they did after they spoke to Conrad Murray? They went to a judge, got a search warrant, and based on his statements, and was now able to, you know, search his house or his offices. That's what they're going to do. It's going to lead to a criminal investigation. It wasn't an investigation when they talked to him. They thought it was just a death investigation, but based on his statements, it went further into a criminal investigation.
So do you think that Dr. Murray shouldn't have spoken to the police?
Let me suggest this. Now we know that he administered propofol on June 25th. He administered it at least 2 months. 3 days prior, he started to wean him off. He admitted to doing all these other things. He admitted to abandoning him for at least 2 minutes,
and
which doesn't, I mean, all these things.
So if you were the lawyer, he probably wouldn't have admitted
I would not, look,
You wouldn't have allowed him to
we've had the biggest case of the century, OJ.
Yes.
Did OJ ever talk?
Say anything, yes.
No.
Except that after that,
then he wrote a book.
Anyways, well, thank you so much for coming and, you know, giving us the Filipino perspective in all this, and more power to you. We hope to see you back maybe. Well, this isn't the last time we're going to be talking.
I love being here.
Yes, please. More than being at Fox. Thank you so much, Carina Castaneda, our Kababayan compañera here on Kababayan LA. This has been Janelle Sawyer, Kababayan in Los Angeles. Have a great weekend, everyone.